This video is really about finding really weird things to store your jewelry with, and then just finding a way to make it work. Hi, Sal. Look at the Sal. Oh. I threw it a little too far. What's up, guys? It's Kat and welcome back to my channel. I've been wanting to do this forever, and that is to share my top 5 favorite ways to organize your jewelry. 4 of them I've been using for like years. I find that they're adorable, they're efficient, and they can all be done for very, very, very inexpensive. Good morning, guys. It's actually the next day after filming this video, but it's the morning time, and I wanted to wait until now to quickly chat about y'all with this company, Ana Luisa. They're a jewelry company, because I wanted to show you how I'm actually wearing the jewelry pieces that I received from them on an everyday basis. I'm about to go to work. It's currently like 7:30 in the morning. Now, y'all know I don't do sponsored videos a ton, but when Ana Luisa reached out to me, I decided to check out their website because I like jewelry, and I was blown away. All of their jewelry is handcrafted, and it's really cool because their designers are actually designers who worked for huge companies like Alexander Wang, Ralph Lauren, Tory Burch, and it's something that you can wear every single day. Like, these earrings that I'm wearing are the Tia hoops, I believe, and I am obsessed. I thought that they would be really heavy because like they're super big, but they're actually very, very lightweight. They're hollow, so I barely realize that I'm wearing them, and they do have these in a smaller size if you're not into this huge hoop look. I like how they're not like a full hoop. I think that adds to it. I just think they're so pretty. I also got this ring from them. When I tell you that I've been wearing this ring since I got it, I'm not lying. I literally have not taken it off for anything since I received it, maybe like a month and a half ago. It's become one of my staple rings. I wear this ring, and then I have this other little ring that my mom gave me a while ago, but I love simple little silver rings that just go with your everyday life, and this is definitely one of those. They also wanted to do a giveaway. There are going to be 2 winners. These are the earrings that are being given away for the giveaway. 2 winners will win them. I think they are so pretty. They're like really different. All you have to do to enter is be subscribed to my channel, comment down below what your favorite organization hack out of the 5 that I'm about to share with you was, and also let me know your email or your Instagram so that if you do win, I can contact you to let you know that you won. And then just sign up for the Ana Luisa membership. It's totally free. The link is in the description box. It's super easy, and you do get access to all of their handcrafted jewelry. You also get 1-year warranty on any pieces that you buy, which I think is amazing, and free shipping on all returns, and you get a special gift with every order. I'm sorry, that kind of sounded ad-like. I apologize for that, but those are all the benefits that you get from the free membership, which I think is super duper cool. If you want to purchase any for yourself, you can use my coupon code CAT15 for $15 off. And also, I wanted to quickly show you the outfit I'm wearing with my earrings and my ring. My top is like this little peplum top from TJ Maxx, and I think they look so pretty with it because they're like simple enough but also statement enough to make it like pop. And then I'm just wearing some black jeans from J. Crew. Thank you so much for listening to my little chat about the Ana Luisa jewelry, and let's get back into the video. So number 1 is probably my most used organization hack for jewelry, because it is for your everyday jewelry, and that is to take some sort of small plate. It can be for jewelry, it can be not for jewelry. At one point, I literally just used a small kitchen plate. Like this one that I'm showing you here, I actually got for my FabFitFun box, I think in the fall, and I am obsessed with it. It's perfect to put my everyday necklaces, the earrings that I find myself wearing, you know, at least once a week, and they're really easy to grab and to look at, and I think it looks super pretty. Number 2 is something that I actually talked about in videos that I posted like 2 years ago. Just take a clothes hanger and hang your necklaces on it. I think it's super cute. You can hang this on your wall if you want, or you can just hang it in your closet to save space. And if you have any big statement necklaces, this works perfect. Super, super inexpensive. It's just a hanger. You probably already have some in your closet. And it's really, I don't know, I just think it's a unique way to organize your statement necklaces. Number 3 is for your earrings. And this is another one that I've been using for years, and that is to use a cheese grater. Yes, I said a cheese grater. Get yourself a cheese grater from Walmart, Target, Amazon, wherever, for like a few bucks, and then spray paint it whatever color you want. I think it looks adorable, and it's super practical because there's a ton of storage, but you only spent like $3 on it, and then you can totally customize it by spray painting it any color that your heart desires. Next is pretty obvious, a jewelry box. I got this one from my grandma for my 16th birthday. 16th birthday. I'm now 23. I've been using this for, I had to do the math, hold on, 7 years. I've been using this for 7 years and I absolutely love it. Obviously the fact that my grandma gave it to me, it makes it 10 times more special. You can get a super plain one and stick it in a drawer, or you can get a super pretty one and make it like a decor piece to put on your dresser or your desk or something. It's perfect to store your jewelry that you're not necessarily wearing every single day, but that you still want to keep in a safe place. I mean, it's a jewelry box. And finally, this is the one that I've never actually done, but I've seen it and I just think it looks so stinking cute. And that is to take rocks. I said rocks. I know, didn't I just say that we were using weird things that you wouldn't think jewelry organization, but we're using them to organize our jewelry? You can find really cute rocks from stores like Michael's or Hobby Lobby, or like, let's be honest, just go outside and find a rock on the ground. You can paint them if you want, or you can just leave them as they are and make it like a real natural look. And then just cut a command strip to fit the back of the rocks that you obviously can't see it, stick it to your wall, and it's perfect to like hang long necklaces over. I don't know, I think it looks super cute. This is definitely something that I want to try in the future because I just think it's so darn adorable. And of course, y'all should enter the giveaway. All you gotta do is be subscribed to my channel, comment down below which of the 5 organization hacks that I gave was your favorite, and then use a link in the description box to sign up for Ana Luisa. Again, it's totally free. There's no charge or anything. You just are going to get access to all of their handcrafted jewelry. And let me know your Instagram or your email so that if you do win, I can contact you. Like I said, I wouldn't recommend something to you if I didn't really love it, but this ring and the earrings I am so in love with. So I do genuinely recommend you check them out if you're looking in some timeless jewelry. All right, guys, that was the video for today. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope you got some helpful tips from it, and I will see you in my next video.